Cbse, Grade 6, Chapter 6, Who I Am, Part 1 and 2, Solutions. Right, we'll see the summary and question answers. Who I am, summary. This lesson tells us that all the people on earth are different, but we're all interesting people in different ways. The author makes his point by describing 6 persons. Radha likes to climb trees. This is her favorite activity. Her mother asks her not to do so. However, one afternoon, Radha's mother also climbed with her on the mango tree outside their house. Both of them talked and ate raw mangoes up on the tree. Climbing a tree, Radha feels like she can rule the whole world. Nazir Nazir has cotton fields in the village. His father spends a lot of money on the seeds to grow the cotton plants. His grandfather had once told him that he used to collect seeds from his own plants which were used to grow new plants. But these days it doesn't work. Nazir wants to know why is it so. He wants to learn to preserve seeds so as to use them again and not spend money on this every year. Rohit. Rohit likes to travel. If he could afford, he would go around the world. He wants to visit the mountains of New Zealand and Amazon River in South America. He also wishes to enjoy the beaches of Lakshadweep and the Konark Temple in Orissa. The old city of Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt are also his favorites. Sarabjit. Sarabjit is angry with most people around him because they do not trust him when he speaks the truth. His teacher thinks that he is lying when he says that he could not do homework because Ravi had borrowed his book. He tells his parent that it is his little brother who started the fight, but they blame him. Their distress angers him and he has to make effort to control his anger. Dolma. Dolma is very ambitious. She wants to do some service for the country. For this, she wants to become the Prime Minister. She says that she has leadership qualities. Her classmates come to her when they have a problem. Her teachers trust her when something is to be done in school. As Prime Minister, she could try to make things better for everyone. Peter. Peter loves the second Sunday of every month, for on that day his father takes the whole family for an outing. They go to cinema. He loves eating peanuts while seeing a film. After the film, they eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, feeling lucky for being such a happy family. So now, working with the text, answer the following question. Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday because on this day, his whole family always goes to cinema hall to see a film. Nazir wants to learn how to preserve seeds so that they can be used again without investing money on them. Dolma believes that she can make a good prime minister because she wants to make things better for everyone. True or false? Peter is the only child. False. When Sarabjit gets angry, he shouts at people. False. He used to count from 1 to 10. Right? Nazir lives in the city. False. Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. True. So now fill in the blanks to make the different kinds of intelligence. Page number 76. When I enjoy listening to people and solving their problem, I use my interpersonal intelligence. Listening to people, interpersonal intelligence. When I enjoy dancing or physical activity, I use my bodily intelligence. When I enjoy looking at maps and examining pictures, I use my visual intelligence. When I enjoy working with numbers and solving math problem, I use my mathematical intelligence. When I enjoy telling a story or arguing, I use my verbal intelligence. So now matches. Answer alone here. First one, navigator. Navigator finds and monitors the route to get to a place or the direction of travel. Architect plans the designs of a building, town, or city. Politician works in politics usually by standing for election. Engineers designs and build things like roads, bridges, or engines. Computer programmer designs the system by which a computer runs or gives information. Athlete works in sports or activities such as running, jumping, etc. Disc jockey controls and puts together a program of music. Composer makes up notes to create music. Counselor advises people what to do about jobs, personal problems, etc. Journalist report on recent news for newspaper, radio, etc. Right? Thank you, children.